Wagwan guys, I saw an interesting market situation on Jump 50 index. So here in today's video, we'll be having a market analysis and a market breakdown on this index production. Basically, we're analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame, and this higher time frame can be a daily time frame, the weekly time frame, or the monthly time frame. I always emphasize on analyzing from a higher time frame whenever I want to look at trade opportunities. Reasons is that so you can be able to see the overall market direction, the bigger picture of the market, right? So you can be able to spot the levels and zones properly. So on the monthly time frame, which you'll be analyzing from, you can see that this index has been on the downtrend. This index has been a long-term downtrend now since its existence, would say, which started on the let's say March 2021. That's when this index started existing. It's been on a massive decline, right? And its highest price value was at I think this 110,750 price value, 110,000, and it's currently at, let's check, it's currently at 28,000. From 110,000 to 28,000. You can see how far this index has declined in value. So the monthly time frame is bearish. It's very clear this index has been a downtrend, and inside of this downtrend, this index created some important zones, which we got here. We got a bearish order block formed at this point, right? On how we got price sell to the downside, we got this formation here, which looked very much interesting, and I'm very sure that most swing traders, most position traders would be taking advantage of this wonderful swing setup by shorting this index after they might have identified this order block zone. And this is a nice order block formation. This is a drop based drop formation, so price came back to test this level and give the sales to the downside. So right now, what do we expect of this index, or how we got this order block spotted here? I think we also have another order block below at this point. Let's mark it up. It should be somewhere here, another order block here, another bearish order block, which I'm still expecting price to give a proper test of. Price didn't give a proper test of it. Price tried to get to it, but it failed. So I'm still expecting a little upside move for price to get to this point for more sales on this index, because we've seen the market direction and everything's looking bearish. We've got these lower highs formation. The first high at that point, the second high would say a lower high which was formed, and a low here, basically a low at this point, and another low would say a lower low. So it's expected for price to create a new low, which we should be looking out for from this order block. And I think that these sales we got here is not complete yet. I'm still expecting more sales on this index, but it should be a long-term sales on a higher time frame, basically. So now we spotted the market structure on the monthly time frame. The next thing we do is to go to the weekly time frame to spot the market formations, zones, and structure as well. Right, remember we are projecting the buys to this point for the sell, so our focus should be on the buy side of the market on this index. Let's clear these things. Let's clear this, and use this to spot our sell points. Then clear the box. Sorry, clear the box after. Then, so our sell point is expected to be on this blue line on this index on the weekly time frame. Let's clear this too as well. So I'm looking out for sell opportunities, and you can see the market's trend on the weekly time frame. Market is on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows formation. So everything's looking bearish on this index, but short-term buys for long-term sells is expected on Jump 50 index. So the weekly time frame structure is looking good as well. We have a level here, a level to watch out for in case we get to our sell point, which is on this blue line. Price tried getting to our sell point, but we didn't get a good test of it. We didn't get a proper test of this blue line, so I'm still expecting more buys to this point. And there's a formation here. This is like a double bottom formation at this point, but you can see it clearly you can see it properly on the daily time frame. You can see that price created these lows here, first low here, and the second low at this point, second low here, and this double bottom formation formed in a bullish way, giving price a higher low structure. Remember, I said that I'm focused on the short-term buys on this index, giving price this higher low structure. And we also got the market form higher highs. We got the first high at this zone, the second high at this point, and the third high basically here. So the market structure on the daily time frame is bullish. Would say the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame is bearish. So let's take advantage of these short-term buys for the sells from this point on the daily time frame on jump 50 index. Our sell zone is on this blue line. So right now I'll be looking out for buy opportunities on this index, and I think we have a zone here as well. We have a zone on this level. Let's clear this thing. Let's clear this and this, right? So you can see this level which we exported, that we got market reactions on it. We got price buy from as a support, market reaction support here, support, resistance. Would say price reacted here as a support a little bit before the sells, so would say support here, right? There's a clear break here, retest of its resistance, got the sells, resistance here to support here. Right now market is trading above this zone which we got price react on as a support and as a resistance, and for price to sell to this point without getting the proper buys, without getting the buys on testing this zone, it first sold a little bit before moving to the upside. I still expect the continuation of these buys, right? So I'm looking out for buy opportunities, and looking at this market trend on the daily time frame, we can tell that this market structure is bullish. We got the next low there, a higher low, so the market structure here is very clear that it's bullish. So how do we get into this trade? How do we take advantage of this wonderful buy opportunity on jump 50 index? Looking at the forward time frame structure, is also clear that this index is also bullish on the forward time frame. Everything's looking good. The 1 hour time frame is looking good as well. Got this higher lows formation. So the bullish structure started showing from the daily time frame, and now we're on the 1 hour time frame, and I'm still expecting the bullish moves on this index. I think we got a zone identified at this point. Let's delete it. So my buy point basically on the 1 hour time frame would be here, because I'm expecting price. Remember, when analyzing the market, you analyze from a higher time frame down to a convenient lower time frame, a time frame that wouldn't be exposed to much risk if you have to take a trade on. So the 1 hour time frame seems to be a nice time frame to look out for at the moment, because looking at this previous structure on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we got markets move in a downtrend, which price broke out of, which we got a shift of trend from a downtrend market to an uptrend market. Basically it's an uptrend market. Start seeing price create higher lows formation. So here on the 1 hour time frame, we got these two highs. The first high at this, the first low here, the second low at this point, a higher low. So I'm still expecting price to give a test of this zone as well as our trend support, because on trend lines we have our support trend and our resistance trend. This is our resistance trend and this is our support trend, because we've seen how market has been selling, how market sold when it got to this resistance trend. We sold here as well, and price bought when it got to our support trend, bought here as well. Then we got our intermediate level, our horizontal zone. We'd say this is a key level because we got both the buys and the sell decisions on this level. We got price buy from as a support. A support does break below its resistance here, support here, resistance. So there's a possibility of seeing price sell a little bit to this zone for the buys on jump 50 index on the 1 hour time frame. So I'll be looking out for buy opportunities, and I think we have a formation as well. Interesting formation on the 30 minutes time frame. This is like we got a bullish order block here, which if price can sell a little bit to this point, there's a high probability of seeing price buy from that zone. And if we have to get our entry at this zone, at this level, right, my TP level, my TP points would firstly be here. My first TP target would be here. My first take profit target would be at this zone, because we've seen how market has been reacting, how market reacted on this level previously. Support here. We use the market previous zones and levels to know where we could place our take profit and LSL in the market. So my first TP level would probably be here if I'm to take the price. If price can sell to this zone, this would be a wonderful buy opportunity on jump 50 index. So let's watch out for this setup for the good buys, and I will as well give you guys an update if I'm to take this trade. So our first TP level here, our second TP level would probably be at this point. Remember, we have a target point on the daily time frame which we're expecting price to get to this blue line for the sell continuations. This index is too bearish long term. Looking at the high time frame structure, the market is too bearish, but we want to take advantage of the short term buys on jump 50 index. So the daily time frame, if price can get to this zone, we would be looking for long-term sells on jump 50 index. A swing trade would say. So our first TP level has been identified on the 1 hour time frame, which is 30 minutes time frame, sorry, which is here. Second TP here, then third TP probably be somewhere here, 30p here. So if we get our 30p smashed, then we'll be holding a few positions running, which would be swinging to our general target level on the daily time frame. At this point, right, we'll be swinging the remaining positions to this zone. So that's it, guys. That's my market view and market breakdown on jump 50 index. Price action basically was able to analyze this index from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame, looking out for possible trade opportunities and identifying our entry points. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more trade analysis, likes, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support, always engaging my videos. Chilling me a lot, guys. It's tomorrow and have a wonderful day.